Parts of the body. Head. Head means सिर. Forehead. Forehead means माथा. Eyes. Eyes means आँख. Hair. Hair means बाल. Ear. Ear means कान. Nose. Nose means नाक. Mouth. Mouth means मुह. Teeth. Teeth means दात. Neck. Neck means गर्दन. Shoulder. Shoulder means कंधा. Chest. Chest means छाती. Stomach. Stomach means पेट. Hand. Hand means हात. Elbow. Elbow means कोहनी. Fingers. Fingers means उंगलिया. Thumb. Thumb means अंगूठा. Leg. Leg means टांग. Knee. Knee means घुटना. Foot. Foot means पाव. Toes. Toes means पैरों की उंगलियां.